My name is Dr. Matt Littrell. I am the Executive Director for Workforce and Economic Development with Tulsa Tech. The Tulsa Tech Advanced Air Mobility Certificate Program is designed to teach people everything from component level construction of drones through advanced manufacturing skills that can be used across many, many industries.
So my name is Lawrence Ganti. I'm the Director of Talent and Workforce for Tulsa Innovation Labs. When you think about advanced air mobility, it sounds super complicated. But the foundational parts of the program are really about how do you take these software stuff and put it into this hardware.
My name is Justin Adair, and I am a graduate of Advanced Mobility Training. I'm a really big hands-on learner, so getting able to use my hands every day and getting to apply the skills I've learned with the hands-on training at work every single day makes it a lot more enjoyable. When I first found out about the class, I wanted to do the drone things, and then the more I learned and the more I bought into the class, I really grew a love for manufacturing and wanting to learn more about that.
The Build Back Better grant, which was administered by the Tulsa Innovation Labs, has really allowed us to offer this program free throughout the grant period. But the long-term view of that is it's allowed us to set up a new program that will exist long into the future.
When I found out that the course was grant funded, it really made this class stand out over a lot of others. The skills I learned and the information I was given through just 9 months of school made me more prepared, and I would recommend this program to just about anybody who was interested in taking it.
The results have been so good that many of the employers in the area have come back and said, your graduates are teaching our experienced technicians things they didn't even know.
The ultimate goal of Tulsa Innovation Labs is to make sure that we're able to prepare the talent of the future for the jobs of the future. And that ultimately means new capabilities and new skills. So we need the right partners to be able to execute on that.
The partnership between Tulsa Tech and Tulsa Innovation Labs is really key to advancing this industry in Tulsa because it really helps us diversify our economy and change the trajectory for these students.